Welcome to the course. In this section, we will learn about creating an elimination subsidiary in a NetSuite OneWorld account. We have already discussed the concept of an elimination subsidiary in NetSuite. What you see here is a graphical representation of our company structure within the NetSuite OneWorld account. As a recap, we have created our parent company and a child company, ABC company, in NetSuite. You can also create another legal or child company, XYZ company, in a similar manner. However, I won't be demonstrating the creation of XYZ company today. For that, please refer to the section on creating legal or child companies. Now, let's focus on creating the elimination subsidiary. Before we start, it's essential to gather the necessary information. Here is what we need. Company name. Elimination company. Currency. US dollar. Make sure that the currency for both the parent company and the elimination subsidiary is the same. If the parent company's currency is US dollar, then the elimination subsidiary must also be set to US dollar. You can use the same address details that we configured for the parent company, including state, country, and address specifics. Now, let's discuss the elimination subsidiary in more detail. In NetSuite, an elimination subsidiary refers to a specific type of subsidiary used in multi-subsidiary environments, particularly when consolidating for financial reporting. When you have multiple subsidiaries within a parent company, transactions between these subsidiaries can complicate financial reporting. For instance, if one subsidiary sells goods to another, this transaction can inflate both revenue and expenses in the consolidated reports. An elimination subsidiary helps to remove the effects of these intercompany transactions, ensuring that our consolidated financial statements accurately reflect the entire company's performance. In summary, elimination subsidiaries are crucial for achieving accurate consolidated financial reporting by neutralizing intercompany transactions. They ensure that our financial statements present a clear picture of our company's financial health. Next, we will go through the actual process of creating the elimination subsidiary in NetSuite. Welcome back. Let's dive into the demo for creating an elimination subsidiary in NetSuite OneWorld. First, go to the Setup menu and navigate to Company. Next, head to the Classifications section. Then navigate to Subsidiaries. Click on the New button. A new subsidiary page will open with empty fields. Let's start filling it out. In the Name field, enter Elimination. Next, go to the Parent Company field. Here, you should see that the parent company is already selected by default. Now, click on the State field drop-down list and select New York. Move to the Country field, click the drop-down, and select United States. Now for the Currency field. Ensure you select the same currency that we chose for the parent company, which is US dollar. Next, locate the Elimination checkbox. You must enable this checkbox. Otherwise, this subsidiary will be considered a legal or child company instead. Keep in mind, creating an elimination subsidiary is free of cost. It won't count against your legal or child company limits. You can create as many as you need. Now, let's look at the elimination subsidiary in detail. Checking this box indicates that this subsidiary will only be used for journal entries and transactions between subsidiaries. When a loan, sale, or inventory transfer occurs between subsidiaries, you use the elimination subsidiary to balance your consolidated books. By entering a journal entry against it, you maintain a record of transactions while ensuring correct balances. After checking the elimination box, note that the state, country, and currency fields will be disabled. This is important. Before saving the record, ensure that the currency is correct because once saved, you can't edit this field. Now, click the Save button to save the elimination subsidiary. Great. We have successfully saved the Elimination subsidiary. Let's take a look at our company structure in NetSuite OneWorld. As you can see, our parent company is at the top, with ABC company underneath it, and now the Elimination subsidiary is also listed. Click on the Elimination subsidiary to open it. The Elimination subsidiary record is now open. After saving, you'll notice that several tabs have been added to the record. Let's click on the Edit button to modify the subsidiary record. Go to the Addresses tab and click on the Edit button to modify address details. Enter or modify the address details as needed, then click OK to save the changes. Next, let's update the shipping address. Click on the Edit button here. In the Addressee field, enter Elimination subsidiary and click OK to save. Now, let's move to the Return address field. Click on the Edit button, enter Elimination subsidiary again, and click OK. Next, go to the Vendor Bill Matching tab. No information needs to be entered here. Just skip this section. Under the Nexuses tab, NetSuite will automatically add the nexus for the Elimination subsidiary. Again, no additional information is needed here. Now, let's check the Accounting Books tab. Here, you'll see the list of available accounting books. Currently, we haven't configured many accounting books for NetSuite. Let's proceed to the Preferences tab where you can update any preferences if desired. Now, let's check the Workflows tab to see the active workflows available. Next, click on the Translation tab to enter any translations for the Elimination subsidiary if needed. Finally, we have the System Notes tab where you can see an audit record, including who created the record and any changes made. When you are ready, click on the Save button to save any updates to the record. We have successfully updated the Elimination subsidiary. Now, make sure to click through each tab to verify the information entered. Just a quick note, you should not use the Elimination subsidiary for transactions such as sales orders, purchase orders, or invoices. Instead, it should only be used for journal entries for reversal purposes. And that wraps up our demo. Here is a final look at the company structure in our NetSuite OneWorld account. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to create and utilize Elimination subsidiaries. I have created a new course, NetSuite ERP, the Ultimate Complete ERP Training Course 2025, designed to give you a complete understanding of NetSuite ERP from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this course covers everything you need. Course link is given in the description. Enroll now and take your NetSuite knowledge to the next level.